Well, hey guys, and welcome to another episode in our Birnie family YouTube and Facebook. And me and Davs, I've got the cold. I feel awful. Young Davs isn't feeling great either, are you? He's been on antibiotics and he's really tired. So we thought today we're going to come up to our local motocross track and just spend some time up here with the guys and that and see what's happening, eh? That should cheer me up, but I just feel like, oh dear Lord. So one of them, go for it, kid. One of our most favourite places to be, son. Spending a wee bit of time up here, it's awesome. And I think what's happening is just the young guys get to go on for a little while, and then they put on the big bikes are then allowed on. Obviously, it's a bit silly to put the wee bikes on with the big bikes in it, son. Yeah, but you'll see all the guys down there. A lot of them just stay here for the weekend, look, in their motorhomes. That's a two-stroke, isn't it, the wee one? He's really going for it. Whoa, nice. That's what you need first, my boy, look. What do you think? And our mate Ben was a Scottish champion for a lot of years through the categories, wasn't he? And this is where he comes. I think it was 12 times Scottish champion Ben was. I don't know if he's here because he's racing in the British Championship, so he might not be here today. We'll have a look around, eh, son? So some of the bigger bikies coming now, or is this just another young lad? I can't tell. Now here's slightly bigger. Oh, they're racing, are they? No. Oh, the young laddie here's going on, check him out. Very nice. Right, kids, look at that. That's a Yamaha. Look at that. It's beautiful, that thing. Hey, beautiful. Here we go. Slightly bigger now, guys. Look, slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. Here he goes. That was a young lad we just saw a minute ago. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Go for it, kid. Aye, now these guys really are moving, look. Aye, I think a 50 first for you, son. That's fast. Aye, guys are going. The nice body armour that kid's got on. Outside body armour. Away I guess at KTM. I think it is, isn't it? It's KTM, that one. Very young kid, go for it, boy. You can see he's obviously just learning. He's really taking his time.
There's no goggles on.
I know. And there's that KTM we just saw a minute ago, look. Right, so we'll take a wee wander of the track, eh, son? We'll just take our time and head down. This is Woodside, so this is our local track. The guy that runs it is Ben's dad, and also our neighbour, eh? So we can get exclusive access, baby. But yeah, look, the track was a way across there. We'll just take you across for a look. Have a little look around, eh? But yeah, a lot of the guys stay here, like, here we go. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, it's a bit bigger now though. Two-stroke. These are all two-strokes. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, big bikey's getting a bit of surgery. Major surgery. And there's a River Lossy, guys. Goes past David's campy number 1 and 2 and technically past 3. Technically. It's not far away, is it? David's wild camping hats. Hey, here we go. These guys know what they're doing. Here we go, look. Just superb. Now see, he's starting to warm up a bit now, look. Just takes him a bit of time, doesn't it, son? He's away through the mud, nice. Yeah, so David's building a tree fort just now, aren't you, son? A tree fort. We've got our campy, our wild camping hut, and now the tree fort's getting built. But neither myself or David could lift a hammer today, could we, son? Is he stuck over there, is he? They have to do 125s. They have to do 125s, these ones. Some 50s, but that's more like a 50, I think. There's a couple of 125s going round though. You can see the difference in the power. The young guy there stuck. He's trying to kick, but it's not happening. They're maybe not allowed to stop. You know, just for safety reasons. And they're just helping him. And of course, guys, we definitely can't jump onto the track. He might be my neighbour, but I'll get in trouble, won't I? He's got it going again. Jump off the bike, kid. That's it, jump off it. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Listen to that noise. Hey, listen to that noise. Just music to the ears, isn't it? Music. There you go. He's moving. He's moving. That kid must have some energy. He's been at it for half an hour now. Ah, just missed him. Just missed him on the tree swing. Well, the tyre swing would actually be, wouldn't it? Nice, nice. Now here's Ben's mum. And she's got the big checkered flag out there, look, to get the kids in. Ooh. Ah, he's okay. I'll tell you, one of the problems with him is he's probably getting tired. He's been at it for ages. That's it. He's okay. Now we're on the big boys. The 4 strokes. Yeah. That's a different sound, eh? Different world. There we're hiking. Oh wow. Ah, he knows what he's doing. That guy knows what he's doing. And here they come. That was well saved. That was well saved. He was definitely almost off there, wasn't he? Just careful, careful. Be careful, Pasta Boy. Dangerous. And he's back, he's okay. Now they're thinking. Here they come. Alright, this guy here's pretty wicked. Our Ben is on track, I'm just trying to see where he is. Number 33, Ben, where are you? Something's not right. Let's see, 52. Sorry, see, that's Ben. That's Ben. Oh my goodness me. That is fast. So Ben, guys, number 33. Keep an eye out for 33. There he goes. So that's Ben there, guys. Number 33. Now we're just heading back to see if we can see Ben get over the jump because he is going flat out today. Deary me. Yes. That's our boy. That's our boy Ben. Look at him. Difference is unbelievable. Here he goes again. That is fast. I'm not sure I'd have the confidence to go that fast. We'll have to wait and see. Here he goes, here he goes. And Ben again. Oh yeah. See how they're using the ruts. Up he goes. Here he is though. Yeah, baby. Ben should just be coming out down after him, I think. You see the traps are way up in there as well. Coming around, there he goes. Wow! Flippin' heck. That was scary. Oh, I just can't see because of the trees. Yeah, this guy here's pretty quick. Very quick, in fact. But not quite as fast as Ben. Here he comes. Oh, too close, too close. Ben, do the big jump again. Where is he? Come on, Ben. Do the big jump, big jump. There it goes. Oh, yes. One-handed as well. Here he goes. Yeah. Ben's away. He's going to overtake this guy coming through, look. Come on, Ben, overtake. There we go. See you later. See you later. And that's how it's done. Big jump, Ben, come on. Ben with the big jumps, there we go. No, little one. Up close and personal, baby. Here we go, look, is that better? Here's Ben again, and he's just absolutely hiking. That's frightening. And we're going to get up close. The young Ben, here he goes. Oh yes. He's been doing that for half an hour solid. Half an hour solid. You should do a big jump coming out of here. There he goes. Well, I think that'll do us for this one. Let's have a quick look. It's too addictive. Yeah, we've done okay, son. But no, guys, I think that's us. Is all we can do today, yeah. I have to still see Herbie yet, aren't we? Yeah. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed just a little bit of an afternoon up here. Especially watching Ben, who we're very proud of, obviously. 12-time Scottish champion. This is him just practicing. He's in the British Championships just now. Wonder if the young lads are getting ready to go back on now. Yeah, hopefully this is a place we'll be at a lot more often. Doing it our way, that would be pretty awesome, guys. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notifications. Loads and loads of videos coming